sign with the Yankees?
Yes, with the Yankees, you lose good men to trades and unruly fans. Look, I don't want to talk about it. I'm sorry.
Tattoo on the lower back. Might as well be a bullseye.
You know how they say we only use 10% of our brains? I think we only use 10% of our hearts.
You feel so tiny in your arms.
Really? How tall are you?
6'5".
Some poetry. Courtesy of Sarah McLachlan.
You've been so good to me. You know you make me wanna have a fit.
Ik wil het filmen.
Zo'n stukje, weet je, hey joh. Gewoon naar me toe.
Ja, dat is maar een kans. Er gebeurt helemaal niks met dat beest.
Ah ja.
Dat vindt Dirkje helemaal niet erg. Dirk Kuyt.
Before you